Established in 1977, Advantage Engineering is a leading manufacturer of industrial process cooling equipment. That's over 40 years of experience. Annually, we produce more than 1,200 portable chillers, 120 central chillers, and 3,500 water and oil circulating temperature control units in a wide range of capacities. Our facility includes 3 buildings with more than 100,000 square feet of manufacturing space. We're focused on industrial process cooling equipment and have knowledgeable application, product, and service specialists ready to discuss your needs. We have experience in many industries that require process cooling, including craft breweries, plastic processing, die casting, and more. Trust our experience to find the correct solution to your problem. Our products are engineered to fit your needs, whether that is a standard product or one that is customized to meet your specific requirements. Our equipment includes purpose-built system controls with a focus on energy-efficient solutions. Detailed product information, including literature, manuals, and prices, are available on our website. Visit advantageengineering.com or call 317-887-0729 for more information on our industrial process cooling equipment.